How to bring second and third page ranked articles to the first page of Google. In this video, I will reveal a secret to bring the articles which are ranked on page 2 and page 3 to the page 1. This particular strategy I learned from the pro marketer Neil Patel. So today I am sharing that particular strategy, and I also applied for my blog and I got the results. So for that, first you have to log into your Google Search Console and observe the pages, which pages are ranking on page 2 and page 3, and observe the pages which are ranking on page 1. Here you have to make a internal links for page 2 and page 3 from the page 1 articles. Okay, whatever the articles you already rank for some articles. In that case, you have to make internal links. So from which articles you already rank, from those articles to which are not ranked, for those articles you have to make the internal links. Here what will happen, here link juice will be passed, and the articles which are not ranked, those are also ranked well. So yeah, internal linking very helpful, and internal linking will help you to rank your articles. So in case if you don't have the any articles already ranked in Google, then so just suppose if your all articles are ranked in fifth page or sixth page, seventh page, then make a internal links. So make internal links with the relevancy in keep in mind. So make a internal links, then automatically your rankings will be go up. So then build some links for those articles. So build some links for those articles using the techniques like guest posting, broken link method, and the comments. So you will get some links, and the rankings will be improved very well. So I applied this particular strategy. So whatever the doing, so from the internal linking from already ranked articles to so which are not ranked, those articles I made a internal links. So in that I got a results. So that's all guys. So you have to make internal linking very well. So internal linking will help in lot of ways. The main ways are the rankings will be improved, and the user experience will be improved, and the bounce rate will be improved. So these are the main points you have to keep in mind, and using this particular strategy you can bring your second phase, third phase articles to first page of Google. I hope this particular video will help you. If you love this video, like up and share it with your friends. Still not subscribe to the channel, consider to subscribe. I will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.